skit on the lesson Ingentum is written by R.K. Narayan. And the characteristics is narrator, Gaitil and Mono, Swamiji, narrator's wife, Joseph, municipal chairman, policeman, Swamiji assistant, priest, well owner, compound wall owner. Let's introduce the characteristics.
My name is P. Vanazakshi. My character name is narrator.
My name is A. Hemavati. My character name is Gaitil and Mola.
My name is A. Ramadevi. My character name is Swamiji.
My name is P. Monica. My character name is Narrator Raipu.
My name is Joseph, friend of narrator.
My name is Selvenka. My character name is Municipality Chairman.
My name is Nageshwari. My character is Swamiji assistant.
My name is A. Ramadevi. My character name is priest.
My name is Esrupa. My character name is Velwana.
My name is E. Ashwini. My character is compound one owner.
Gaitil and exhibition.
Gaitil and exhibition in our town Gymkhana ground. Come and visit. Come and visit.
Purchase lottery tickets, purchase lucky tickets, purchase lottery tickets.
Hello.
For 8 hours.
Okay, sir.
Your ticket number 1005.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
1005 ticket number. 1005 ticket number.
Ticket number.
It's my number, sir.
You have won the Rodinson.
What, sir?
You have won the Rodinson.
Oh, thank you, sir. Where is it? There. You have to provide the driver, sir?
No, we have no driver.
Sir, how I will drive it?
You have to take it on your own.
Okay, sir. I will try it.
Okay.
Till I keep a driver, then I will keep here.
Okay, sir.
Gaitil and Cho is end up. Now we are leaving. You taken off your road engine.
Please, sir, remove your road engine.
Sir, I want some time, sir.
Why?
I have no driver for this engine. So I want some time, sir.
We want to exhibit next attempt. So you want to remove early.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
But monthly you have to pay the rent.
Okay, sir. Hello, Lakshmi. I want money to pay the rent.
What do you do now?
We have won the road engine. So it road engine in the Gymkhana ground. So I want to pay the rent.
What is the use for the road engine?
We have won the prize.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Lakshmi. Please to drive my road engine. Anybody know how about the riding of road engine? Please to ride our road engine, please. Hello, Joseph. Please drive my road engine.
Okay.
Sir, please lend me your elephants.
Okay, I will lend.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I have to get 50 police and 2 elephants and my friend Joseph. Come on, Joseph. Come on.
Come on,
Joseph, you can do it. Come on, Joseph. Come on. Joseph. Sir, no, sir. Sir, no, sir. Don't beat me, sir.
Construct my compound wall.
Sometimes, sir. I have no mistake about it, sir.
Okay. I came here to show to the importance of yoga. Now
I want a road engine. Where is the road engine? Assistant, Have a new road engine? No.
Sir, I have a road engine, but they have no driver.
I know how to drive. Where is the road engine?
Okay, sir. There is.
Stop.
What, sir?
Don't do this. It's a crime.
What, sir?
I don't want to be here. It's a cursed place. Swamiji.
Sir, please stop, sir. My guru is going.
No, my guru is going. I want to go.
Sir, please. This engine was to remove from this place, sir. Please, sir.
Hey, just leave me.
Please, sir. Sir.
Earthquake.
Bye.
It is unclean and dirty water in a
Well,
well. So I received the notice to close the
well.
Sorry, sir, but I don't know this like doing.
river.
You did a good job. I will solve all your problems.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Into rescue in the form of earthquake. Thank you.